Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when I say my house hot. It's like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I'm doing a little blogging video on Valentine's Day. Last year, Papa Harry asked me to be his Valentine. So this year, I am asking him to be my Valentine. Because you know what, guys? It don't have to be the man have to always ask the female to be his Valentine. We as the female can ask the man them to be with Valentine too. So for me, I'm looking at it like I'm telling you, girlfriend and wife, say you can come out and ask the man to be them Valentine. You understand me? Because that's the way it should be. Don't supposed to be just on a one-way thing where it's just the man asks to be the Valentine. So today, I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna go get some balloon for Papa Harry, and I'm gonna get him some chocolate, and then I'm gonna cook him a nice meal, and we're gonna do Valentine. So I went and I got my balloon. You can't see them now, but when I go home, you'll be able to see the color. So now I'm home. I'm gonna cook the meal, but I'm setting the table. Me and Papa Harry right now. So this is the setup. I'm gonna get a bottle of wine to put here, and I also gonna probably put a little flowers arrangement in the middle. And then this is what I'm going to cook. I am making some curry chicken and shrimp. Yeah. So see, we'll do some curry chicken and shrimp for me and you guys. I'm gonna get into the cooking of the food, and then I will come back and show you as time goes by. So for dinner, it's curry chicken and shrimp with corn, rice, and a salad. So I'll be back. Put the chicken very small. Ooh!
What was that? The oil?
I don't know. I couldn't read so far.
Maybe it's a ducky. I guess be careful with the oil. I don't know.
So, okay.
Maybe I should take it out.
No, take out that. Take out the... Yeah. Guys, I do my outfit change, you know, and Papa Harry are gonna be twin today. So this is my outfit, what I'm gonna wear for my Valentine's dinner, okay? And as you could see, my curry chicken and shrimp, it's finished. So I'm gonna dish it out, get it on the table. And my rice is warming up in the microwave. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm gonna call the gentleman.
Hi guys, it's Valentine Day. You know, Mama Joan, I forget her greetings, so I'm just gonna give her a surprise Valentine gift. Hi, my sweet, nice Valentine. Thank you for being best woman in the world, and thank you for being my Valentine. I love you so much.
Okay, well, Papa Harry.
Yes.
Every year you ask me to be your Valentine. So this year I am asking you to be my Valentine.
Oh, honey, every time, anytime, and all the time.
Okay, so.
Okay.
This is my card for you,
Okay.
and I get you your favorite chocolate, yes. So you're not gonna eat this now, you're gonna have this for dessert. So let's put that here.
So this is my sweet, nice roses. I know
Okay.
you deserve more, but honey,
This
is all I could get you for today. And I have your card. The card is so lovely that it's just telling me what I want to say. So
But you just say just go buy it in a card?
Well, when I read it, when I'm asked, I read it. For what it says, I'm saying, oh, this saying exactly what I want to say. So you know what? I'm gonna just let you read the card itself.
Okay, well, alright. So I was about to get me some nice roses. This is beautiful. Now this is to my wife, my love, and my life.
Of my life.
Of my life.
Yes.
Okay. Mama don't have a tendency of reading and saying the wrong thing. But here it is. Together we share the high points in our life, and together we weather the low point, loving and learning, supporting each other. Our love and our happiness grow. And on Valentine's Day, as I think what I mean to have such a wonderful wife, I want you to know that just being together with you is the joy of my life. Oh my God.
That's coming from my heart. I wrote that card for you.
You wrote this one for me? Okay, so in that case, now you have to read mine that I got for you. Okay, here you go. I'm go. Well, Mama Joan is so enough. After she get the man the card, she want to open the card for the man. Can you guys believe that?
Can I read it without my glasses?
Maybe not. You know.
Because see.
But you can check out in hand kind of name though. So there you go.
Yes.
Okay.
My husband, my love, and my forever. I never thought I'd find a man who would love and accept me just the way I am. For sure. I never knew that being married could feel so right. When you became my husband, I never realized I could feel this happy. Then your love changed my life forever. I love you. I'll always love you. Happy Valentine days.
Yes.
I love you too much.
I love it. Anyway, sweetie, so today when we make fig for in jar today, I make you some, come over
You
here.
know, only whatever you
Come
make,
over
you
here.
love full my belly.
So I make you some corn rice.
Favorite.
Yes, and some curry chicken and shrimp.
Curry chicken and shrimp.
Yes, and a little salad.
Oh, honey, you're
Yes.
the best.
Not
'Cause,
much, just
yes,
something small, simple,
is
no
enough.
holy power. Pass me the let me get some salad.
Get yourself some salad. Give me some rice. Because these are my love for rice.
Wow. Now Joe ready to make a spill already.
This is so nice.
Yes.
And simple.
Nice, simple. Make some simple little dinner.
Yes.
Nothing big, nothing fancy.
No.
Just some corn rice and some curry chicken and shrimp and a salad.
Yes.
Just a regular salad.
Sometimes it's not the value of the food. It's the joy of the food. It's not that joyful, blessed. Here you go, honey. And chicken and shrimp.
Yeah.
Honey, you're the best.
So we have some curry chicken and shrimp. Guys, to all the young ladies out there and the wives out there, as I said, Valentine's Day, you know, it don't have to just be the man taking the woman out. The woman can also take the man out. You know, it can work both ways. Papa, Ari and me, it's been together from we are teenager. When we're teenager, and it's good. It's good when you can find your soulmate.
Just so.
You understand? We bring through the ups and the downs, the high and the lows, but we still stay together. Whatever we do, whatever we have, we always, no matter what. If we have a disagreement, we always make sure we talk and we don't go to bed vexing with each other, because that is not good. You don't want to vex with one another and keep nothing festering, you know?
True, man.
And it's good to enjoy. For me and him, every year is Valentine's Day. But because them said today is a Valentine's Day, it's a special day, we kind of cook little food and we celebrate it. But every day, our love life is like a Valentine. You know, because that's what everybody's life as a couple, it should be like.
When is the time that you felt most loved by your partner?
For me, it was just the vibe, the environment, the fire in the relationship. Like, from I meet this lady, I have faith, love. I'm just saying today to myself sir, that the first love that I really experienced in the whole of my life, from my mother coming right up to my wife, first love I experienced was my wife's love. And I can say that every time.
Every morning when he get up, I sit in the chair and he say, good morning. I tell him good morning. And then after the good morning, get him coffee. Then the next thing you know, he said, you know how much I love you? And I say, shut the f up.
It's a broken record. I'm more time to go, whatever.
And then if it's not, that is whatever. Like,
Yeah, whatever.
I'm so tired of hearing this man telling me how much him love me.
I know, but I can't tell her enough. That's my problem.
Next question is, how do you best receive love? Is it acts of service? Is it gifts? Is it like words of affirmation, like positive words to each other?
Just the energy.
It's just companionship, Siam.
Just the energy.
You can tell it's just a companionship between the two of it.
I don't need no gifts.
And the fact that I know that he's my soulmate and him knows that him is my soulmate. So that's it.
And to believe that this lady is your soulmate, that is the love. You can't get more love more than that.
If you could go on a honeymoon anywhere in the world, where would it be?
For me, I'm going straight back to Jamaica. That anywhere in the world is Jamaica. Because there, I just feel like...
Like on a resort in Jamaica?
You see something funny?
Oh, this is so good.
This is the last question that I have for you guys. What is your favorite memory of each other? So like your one favorite memory of him, his one favorite memory of you.
My favorite memory of you, wow. My favorite memory of him is when we just met him.
Really?
When we see him, I say, oh my God, I like that guy. Like, you know, I say, I like that guy. At that time, the dread, you know? I say, but the dread is cute. But I love to go out with him. That is my go-to favorite time of him. Just this nice, sweet, tall, skinny dread, just dress up, look so sweet, you know, for your dread.
My favorite memory of my wife was, I was going up the lane one day and she sit at this step in front of her gate. I'm going to walk and kick her foot and tumble over about 3 times. I said, my girl, you tricked me. And that was it from that day. And then I drop it, I'm just tumbling, you know.
And just pretend like he was falling.
Yes. But that was my favorite time when I just met her.
And that's it, and we're here still going strong. Our change country too.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
So guys, continue to eat the little food now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when Mama Joan posts. You know, Mama Joan not posts as often as she should, but you know, Mama Joan kind of busy, and you know, I'm getting there. New Year now, it's coming. Okay? All right.
And guys, all of you guys out here, everybody out here, have a happy Valentine.
Yes, guys, have a wonderful Valentine and enjoy yourself and not too much hanky-panky because me and Papa are not doing no hanky-panky and this Valentine Day here. Okay?
Happy for yourself.
Nice. So if you like coming, I'm going to do nothing. We don't do nothing. Just enjoy the food and that's it. Alright, guys? And I will see you in the next one.